Hello friends, welcome back to the Viny video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone guys touch sound setting guys. How can we enable and how can we use it? And today I will show you guys your phone tap sound guys. When you tap on guys any button and friends when you click on guys any icon, so means your tap sound guys how can you enable and how can you use it? Today friends I will show you in this video guys. So friends now let's see guys how can we enable guys Samsung phone tap sound and guys how to use it. So open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, click on guys phone sound and vibration. Tap on sound and vibration guys, click on system sound. Friends, you can see guys the touch sound is here. First one guys tap sound guys we will enable from here. After enable guys you can see. Guys I will click on this my button, I will tap on button. So guys you can see guys this phone tap sound guys. And guys if I click on any icon, so once you can use guys your background guys this tap sound. So like that guys we can enable guys phone tap sound guys and guys we can use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye bye guys.